Nagamit na natin ang kanyang mga mixes and sauces. Pero kilala niyo ba talaga si Mama Sita? Mama Sita or Teresita Reyes, born in Manila to Supreme Court Justice Alex Reyes and Engracia Cruz Reyes in May 1917. Yung love niya sa pagluluto, minana niya sa mama niya at minana ng mama niya sa lola niya. Yung lola niya na si Luisa Garcia Cruz, tinawag na si Luisa ang kare kasi masarap siya magluto ng kare-kare. Yung mama naman niya, Engracia Cruz Reyes, na tinawag na si Aling Asyang, ay isang pioneering restaurateur who established one of the oldest continuously operating restaurants in the Philippines. 1932 pa lang tumutulong na si Teresita sa karinderya ng mama niya, malapit sa bahay nila sa Marquez de Comillas sa Manila. Nakilala ito sa pangalang Lapu-Lapu and they served Filipino food. Nakagisna ni Sita ang pagluluto para sa maraming mga tao na naging tradisyon ng kanilang pamilya. Noong 1936, sinimulan ng kanyang ina ang traveling store o food truck sa Luneta na nagsaserve ng merienda. Nahubog ang kaalaman ni Sita sa pangungusina, mula sa pagsuri ng mga sangkap, sa paglasa, at pakikisalamuha sa ibang tao. Hindi nagtagal, naging full-service restaurant ang traveling store at nakilalang The Aristocrat. In the same year, when she was 19 years old, Teresita Cruz Reyes married Fidel Francisco Reyes at the Santo Niño de Praga Church in San Beda along Mendiola. They were unrelated but had the same surname. In the 1960s, Teresita started traveling the world, which broadened her understanding of global tastes and cooking methods. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung lasang Pinoy. Nabahala si Teresita na yung mga apo niya na nakatira sa Amerika, hindi alam yung lasa ng sinigang, palabok, at iba't ibang pagkaing Pilipino na mahirap hanapin ang sangkap at timpla abroad. In the 1980s, Teresita asked her son-in-law to formulate a stable sinigang base that she could take to the US. Siyempre, hindi naman siya pwede magdala ng sampalok at kamya sa carry-on niya. Ayun ang naging simula ng pinakaunang product ng Mama Sita na biglang sinigang tamarind paste na nasundan ng iba't ibang sauces na tinangkilik hindi lamang ng mga Pilipino. Leading to Teresita's 100th birth anniversary, a series of stamps were released by the Philippine Postal Corporation from 2013 to 2017 to honor her contribution to Philippine gastronomy. Mama Sita passed away in August 1998, but she left diaries of her food thoughts, tips, and food wisdom. She wanted to document and share them with family and friends, and most profoundly, her 28 grandkids and the next generations. Mama Sita's descendants formed the Mama Sita Foundation in 1999 to continue Mama Sita's legacy. In 2012, Mama Sita's Mga Kwentong Pagkain was launched, collecting stories to promote the richness of Philippine food culture. Ang pagkain hindi lang nagpapalakas, hindi lang negosyo na tumutustos. Food helps us stay connected to our Filipino heritage, and it helps us stay connected to what brings us comfort, our families. Talagang napakayaman ng pamana ni Mama Sita. O diba?
Meow meow.